A very good morning to you and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney. The Australian share market is expected to open higher this morning, just slightly. The SPI futures are pointing to a 0.5% gain. On Friday, the market closed 0.56% lower at 7,773. In business news from this morning, Ansell has entered into a binding agreement to acquire 100% of the assets that constitute Kimberly-Clark's personal protective equipment business from the Kimberly-Clark Corporation for $640 million in cash. Ansell's financial year 2024 adjusted EPS guidance of 94 US cents to $1.10 US cents, and that remains unchanged from the financial year 2024 half-year results that were released back on the 20th of February, excluding the impact of the acquisition and transaction funding. Qantas frequent flyers will have access to over 20 million more reward seats with the launch of Classic Plus Flight Rewards, a new way for members to use their Qantas points to book their flights. This change is one of the biggest ever expansions of the Qantas frequent flyer program in its 35-year history, and will make it easier to travel to places like London, Tokyo, New York and Singapore with Qantas points, even during peak times. Classic Plus reward seats are also eligible for upgrades. Beach Energy reports that the Waitsia Joint Venture had identified quality issues during pre-commissioning of systems at the Waitsia gas plant. These issues, which included rebuilding compressors and replacing valves and flanges, are now substantially complete. Since then, further quality issues are emerging as pre-commissioning activities progress. The Waitsia Joint Venture is currently working through an updated schedule and cost estimate. However, prior to that being completed, the extent of additional quality issues is to a point where current guidance on schedule and costs needs to be updated. Well, let's take a break here. I'll be back with more news set to affect your trading day.
Right now, Kalkine is offering a 7-day free trial on its premium research reports. Get access to data-driven market insights combined with an in-depth analysis on financial markets across the globe. Don't miss it. Subscribe for the free trial now.
Welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast. Let's take a look overseas now. The Dow Jones rose 0.8%. The S&P 500 gained 1.1%, and the Nasdaq was the best performing index, rising 1.24%. In Europe, markets closed lower with the FTSE falling 0.81%. Frankfurt dropped 1.24% and Paris closed 1.11% lower. In Asia, Tokyo's Nikkei lost 1.96%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng shed 0.01% and China's Shanghai Composite was closed. Now that's the latest from the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.